Technical workers using early 2026 AI tools report moving faster than ever. But generating more outputs per hour doesn't automatically translate into scalable business value. This chart from a 2026 METR study illustrates the gap. While professionals report completing tasks 3 times faster with AI, the actual value created in their work only increases by a median of 1.4 to 2x. Using artificial intelligence to quickly execute tasks that shouldn't be prioritized in the first place creates an illusion of productivity. Real revenue doesn't scale just because you are doing the wrong work faster. The 2026 SPI benchmark shows a massive margin gap. AI-driven firms earn 17.9% EBITDA, while non-users sit at 6.0%. High-performing firms share a distinct operational structure. Their client context and past deliverables are centralized in one accessible system. At underperforming firms, that same critical context is buried in isolated email threads, Slack direct messages, and local spreadsheets. When you feed scattered, fragmented data into an LLM, you are simply training a system to produce incorrect or irrelevant answers with extreme efficiency. Purchasing a new AI subscription will not yield financial returns until a firm's foundational data is cleanly structured and ready to be processed. The strategy of relying on a single general-purpose chatbot has been replaced by an interconnected stack of specialized intelligence layers. The research layer belongs to tools like Google's NotebookLM. It processes large sets of complex PDFs and restricts its answers strictly to those uploaded documents, dropping the hallucination risk to near zero through verifiable citations. The Workspace layer, managed by platforms like Notion AI, eliminates the cognitive toggling tax. It instantly cross-references active project databases with meeting notes from months ago to synthesize immediate context. The automation layer relies on self-hostable tools like N8N. Instead of simple triggers, it orchestrates complex, multi-agent workflows without the punitive per-task pricing models that make other platforms expensive at scale. For the 42% of executives concerned about intellectual property loss, this stack relies on edge computing. Solutions like Samsung Galaxy AI handle processing securely on the device, while Acrobat Studio ensures audit-compliant document synthesis without exposing data to public models. This is an agentic ecosystem. It is an interconnected cognitive infrastructure built to securely process data, far outperforming any single piece of software. Rolling out multiple AI tools simultaneously across an entire firm guarantees low adoption rates and internal confusion. A successful deployment requires 3 disciplined steps. First, centralize your active client data into one accessible hub. Second, automate a single painful process, like lead response or meeting summaries. Third, establish your baseline metrics before launch to accurately track time saved. Do not expand your AI usage until that single workflow proves a measurable return on investment. Scaling profitability requires operational discipline first and technology second.